Good morning, everybody. Here we go. On the test stand to start out the week is a 408 Ford stroker engine. This happens to be a 351 block, stroked out, 408 cubic inches. This one happens to be custom sprayed, which is a champagne color. Come out gorgeous. We had a black cap on it, some black wires, got the full bolt mark system, and we're running our FlyTech system. These FlyTech systems seems to be the choice and the way to go if you have a limited budget on fuel injection, but you want good quality. This happens to be one of the best quality fuel injections we've seen in a while. We use a lot of them. They're very dependable and easy to use. Again, if there's anything you'd like, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video.